Agarra los lentes. Agárralos. Agárralos.
Welcome to YTB-MOMENTS, where we capture the most intense, dangerous, and unbelievable animal encounters caught on camera. From sudden attacks to close calls in the wild, every moment here proves one thing. Nature is powerful, unpredictable, and never to be underestimated. Don't forget to subscribe to YTB-MOMENTS for more shocking wildlife moments. Right as the tractor was still running, the bull suddenly charged straight toward it. In just a few seconds, a normal scene turned into a heart-stopping attack. The people standing nearby had no idea danger was coming. The bull charged straight at them, creating a moment that makes anyone watching hold their breath. A massive bull suddenly charged into the crowd. Its power was overwhelming, sending everyone into panic as they tried to escape the danger zone. The camera captured the moment a wild animal in the forest suddenly rushed forward. No warning, no setup, just the raw danger of nature caught on camera. A huge bull slammed into a person or obstacle with terrifying force. This scene shows that when an animal loses control, humans have almost no time to react. A wild boar suddenly appeared on the beach and charged toward people nearby. Don't let its looks fool you. This animal is fast, aggressive, and dangerous.
Putting its head down while its head is still in the bag. So here's the. Oh my god. What do we do, man? Wait, this is perfect. Damn.
In Kathmandu, a monkey suddenly charged at a tourist. Even places that seem friendly to animals can become dangerous in just a few seconds. At Monkey Forest in Bali, the tourist got too close and the monkey reacted instantly. One sudden rush was enough to shock the entire group. In the Sundarban area, a monkey suddenly attacked and forced tourists to back away. It's a reminder that wild animals should always be given space. A loose dog suddenly attacked, and the whole incident was caught on surveillance footage. It's the kind of situation that makes both parents and police take warning signs seriously. This family was repeatedly threatened by a neighbor's dog. When an animal is not properly controlled, the safety of the entire neighborhood can be affected.
Yeah, you should give your dog. Get the fuck away from me! Yeah.
A man was suddenly rushed by multiple dogs at the same time. He was forced to defend himself in a dangerous moment where one wrong move could cost him. A family dog suddenly turned and attacked inside the home. This moment reminds us that even familiar pets need to be watched for sudden changes in behavior. At a dog park, a sudden incident broke out as the dogs clashed and threatened people nearby. A place meant for fun turned chaotic in seconds.
That's why I'm mad. That's why I'm mad. And you're shooting it all the wrong way.
Oh, hey, taking pictures.
That's not right. Someone grab him. That's not right. Grab him.
I recorded everything.
I'm calling the cops right now.
A small squirrel suddenly launched itself at a person. Even though it wasn't large, the unexpected attack was enough to shock the victim. Inside a captive enclosure, a lion suddenly lunged and dragged a person away. This terrifying moment shows that even behind barriers, big cats remain extremely dangerous.
He's gonna go.
A man had to hold down an attacking dog while waiting for the owner to arrive. The situation was so tense that letting go could have made everything much worse. A dog suddenly charged into a church parking lot, sending people into panic. No one expected such a dangerous moment in such a quiet place. A man and his dog suddenly came face to face with a bear at close range. In that moment, staying calm was the hardest thing to do.
Oh my god.
A yard camera captured a woman fighting off a fox that refused to let go. What seemed like a small encounter turned into a tense and dangerous struggle. In bear country, the person had to use bear spray as the animal came too close. This is why entering wild territory always requires serious preparation.
Whoa, bear. Hey, get out of here. I'm leaving. Whoa, bear. Hey. Hey, good bear.
In Hokkaido, a bear suddenly attacked a forestry worker's vehicle. Its strength made even the vehicle seem fragile against the power of the wild. A zookeeper barely escaped the enclosure as a furious large primate chased close behind. 1 second slower and the outcome could have been much worse.
Come on, guys. Let's go.
Come on, guys.
Please protect her.
I think they train them.
Anyone come near her. Protect her.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Oh my gosh. Oh my.
A man had a terrifying close encounter with a polar bear. Facing one of the largest predators on Earth, every single step became a matter of survival. This video shows a dog bite situation and how the person in the clip tried to escape. Staying calm, protecting yourself, and reaching safety are critical in moments like this.
Choke this dog in to get up and walk off with some reasonable injuries on her legs. And a couple seconds later, dog's going to jump up. We are going to think about that.
The bull charged and attacked, but the rescuer ended up taking an even harder hit than the victim. It was a dangerous and brave moment of trying to save someone. A rodeo bull suddenly jumped over the fence and charged into the crowd. What started as a show turned into total chaos within seconds. An alligator suddenly attacked its handler, forcing visitors to jump in and help. This moment shows the real danger behind working with powerful reptiles.
At your feet, at your feet.
Oh, that's scary. That's scary as shit.
The elephant moved extremely close to the safari vehicle. For a few breathless seconds, everyone stayed silent, waiting to see what it would do next. In Nepal, a rhino suddenly charged toward people and vehicles. With a body weighing thousands of pounds, one charge can turn anything in its path into danger.
What?
During the safari, a large animal suddenly approached the tourist's vehicle and boat. In that moment, everyone realized they were inside the animal's territory. At Kruger Park, a hippo slammed into a boat and flipped it over. Even though hippos live in the water, they are among the most dangerous animals in Africa. An elephant blocked the road and threatened a group of tourists after they entered the wrong area. It was a costly lesson in respecting the space of wild animals. A man stood completely still as an elephant came right up to him. Instead of running or shouting, he chose to stay calm in a breath-stopping moment.
Let's go, come on.
another elephant charged toward a safari vehicle, creating a terrifying scene. The noise, the close distance, and its huge size made the moment feel unreal. A hippo chased a boat down the river at an unbelievable speed. Don't be fooled by its slow-looking body. In water, this animal is extremely fast and dangerous. A hyena in India suddenly threatened people nearby. With one of the strongest bites in the animal kingdom, getting too close is never worth the risk. A deer suddenly crashed into a cyclist or motorcyclist. Even animals that seem gentle can cause serious danger when they appear out of nowhere. A man came face to face with a mountain lion at very close range. He had to back away slowly, stay calm, and never turn his back on the predator.
I'm gonna punch your fucking head in.